Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Live Small Jamaica celebration for the life and legacy of reggae legend Bob Marley. To commemorate the 74th anniversary of Bob Marley's life and legacy, TVJ's Small Jamaica broadcast their morning program live from the Bob Marley Museum. During the broadcast, Mystic Revelation of Rastafari drummers paid tribute to Bob Marley.
Say you can go as Zion. With your carnal mind, I say you never enter Zion.
Lead drummer Time, the son of dearly departed drummer Count Ossie, noted that the performance was a message of love, one that is embodied in Bob Marley's music.
But here we are today singing, chanting, celebrating, or some would say I liberating, and bringing a message of peace and love. See, love is a cohesive force that binds all events to make life purposeful. For I and I to keep on living.
The celebrations continue tonight with the Reggae Jam session featuring Marley's 74 ambassadors, Coffee, Naomi Cowan, 5-Star, Vanessa Bongo, and Notice Heavyweight Rockers. Idonia is the official ambassador for ganja. Dancehall star and ganja advocate Idonia maintains an avid love affair with marijuana. Whether for recreational, therapeutic, or sacramental uses, the Kushnama brand DJ has professed his love for the sensimilla in lyrical odes such as Ganja Pharma, La La Land, and Smoke Day and Night. To celebrate the dynamic partnership, Premier Ganja Emporium Epican has announced Idonia as the first ambassador of Epican Jamaica. Speaking at the groundbreaking announcement held last night at Epican's marketplace location, Idonia expressed that it was an honor to be selected.
I know, and everybody know my love, for marijuana and the plant itself, and it's a great look for me, this merger, dancehall music, Idonia and Epican, it's a history going right here, and I just like to be a part, of history, is it?
He also mentioned what the Idonia and Epican collaboration will entail.
Well, a whole heap of great moves there, you see me? Where the whole 14 parish of Jamaica is concerned. That's all I can say for now. The whole 14 parish of Jamaica is concerned. And we're going to just be a part of that, where promotion is concerned, where music is concerned, dancehall, of course, and reggae music, and bringing this to the forefront and also building our brand, Idonia.
Head of marketing at Epican shared why Epican opted to partner with Idonia.
We scan the industry and we say, we're looking for a very creative force, a very charismatic force, and someone who has been there over the years, you know what I mean? Also, someone who believes in the plant. An advocate for the medicinal benefits.
Dr. Carolyn Cooper gave her take on the partnership.
I think it's a marriage made in heaven because dancehall, like reggae, has been one of the very important spaces in which ganja has been celebrated, and I think Epican has recognized this and wants to make the relationship formal. Says that they've been living in sin and now them getting married.
Epican was granted Jamaica's first and only license to cultivate commercial quantities of medical ganja by the Cannabis Licensing Authority back in 2017. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.